Um, this is a conversation I have with Gemini on how to integrate different LLMs. Because, like I said, I'm planning to create a abstract system, and uh, I've been hearing about this using multiple LLMs. I think it's called a mixture of experts, something like that. So I'm asking if it's a good idea. Okay, so this is what Gemini say. I ask it to say that I have an app to connect to different LLMs, but only one at a time, so one prompt. I choose which LLM I want to connect to. Let's say I want to connect to Gemini. Send Gemini, give response back, and then I change it to ChatGPT, and it's a response. Sorry, I send the prompt and it gives me the response. But what about if I want to connect to multiple LLMs? Okay, so using one prompt, then I send it to all the LLMs, or I do specific things to each LLMs. I think Cloud is used for coding, ChatGPT in general, and what I use, and Gemini is something that I use a lot. So this is I'm asking it on Gemini, so it might be a bit biased because I read in the news that LLMs can be defensive. Okay, when we say we don't want to use you, something like that. So keep that in mind. Okay, now yeah, this is it. It says if I use multiple LLMs to get a single unified response from a single prompt, it's called LLM assembly, multimodal prompting, or LLM framework. Okay, it's different from what I think is a mixture of experts. So apparently that's something else. So it says here the core idea is to leverage the unique strength of different models, like one model is different, good at writing, checking, all this stuff. So I can do parallel processing, so I can send the same to different LLMs. Okay, so one prompt I send to Gemini, same prompt I send to Cloud, same prompt I send to GPT, and then I get the response from each LLMs, and then I collect them. Okay, I have multiple answers. Right? This is the key step. It says here, we combine into a single unified output. So there are some options here: maturity voting, hierarchical fusion. So basically, it says using one LLM to judge. Okay, so we send all this to one LLM and let it decide which one is better. There is the weighted averaging. Okay, so each one have their own weight. Again, I think it depends on the question. Or we can do chaining, iterative refinement. Okay, so basically, this in this case, I think this one says send the prompt to LLM and then the response sent to another LLM, where we already know what the strength of each LLM is. So this one here, model A did the summary, model B take the summary and critique, critiques of accuracy and identify errors, and then model C take the summary, the critique, and give the final response. Okay, so by having like not a single LLM but multiple LLMs, it's reduced a bit of the hallucination, improves reliability. Yeah, because different models are trained on different data, so we might have different responses. It says here it's wider scope of knowledge, and we'll have better quality. So this is how it implementation is. Yeah, I already mentioned it. Connect given the same prompt, collect response, and then implement special logic. In this case, we can this example use the judge to send it to us to single just LLM that will produce the final output and send to the user. So there are some options here. Okay, the majority voting. This one I think is difficult to automate because it's majority voting. So check its answers and see. Okay, most of them say the same thing, so it's will be the answer. So yeah, this one is a bit difficult to do automatically. Average is, I think we can find the strength and weakness of each model and basically give weighted average, like this model is strong in mathematical calculation, and the response is like they accept. It's I think it's not really weighted, but it's more like we just send this prompt because it's mathematical, send it to this LLM, find the response, and no need for the weighting average thing. So I think this is like the chaining, yeah, I already explained it before. So again, this weighted chaining and yeah, weighted chaining are we need to know the strength and we need to know the LLM and use it. Okay, now from here I ask what are the strength of each of these very popular LLMs, right? Llama from Meta, I think it's used in Perplexity, if you know it. GPT, of course, Gemini from Google, and Cloud. These are open source. I forgot the name of the company, but it's popular and I think it's pretty good at coding. Okay. Now it says here that GPT AI is have the strength is ultimate all rounder. Okay. So I think this is GPT-4 because GPT-5 I think is a bit different. Yeah, basically it shows the strengths and weaknesses. Hallucinate, yes, most of them hallucinate. It may not be as cautious or ethical first model. Yes, this code is from Anthropic. Okay, it's an open source. Its strength is long functioning complex window. It can handle semi-long documents, complex multi-step prompts. It's much more safe, ethical AI, and it's the explanation. Constructive response, and let's see to be paper productive. Okay. 3 minutes from Google. This is Gemini, so of course you would say. Multimodality basically means you can send it text, you can send it image, you can send it video. I think I tried to link to YouTube and it's summary, so yeah, multimodality is present there. But I haven't tried on the other ones. Maybe they also multimodal by now. There's the question, yes. Source, I guess, it's not solving. Yeah. Yeah, there are a lot of models here. Okay. And yeah, it says it's I think it's a bit behind ChatGPT. From Llama, it's open source. I can fine tune it. It's efficient. Internet consumer grade hardware, so you need a special hardware for it. Yeah, it's not plug and play, so I think it's a bit technical to deploy, right? To make create a Llama model. Yeah, and I think I'm fine tuning for it because yeah, it's so good. And it says here the ensemble. Okay, I can use Cloud for document, GPT for creative text-based or ideas. So basically, if I create an article or create a video, I can GPT. It says here. And Gemini can be used to read summary. Okay, now Llama, once in 5 noon, I can use it for task. Okay, so basically the final LLM in this case, I think it's, yeah, it's not say directly, but it's Gemini. Just came to mind about Grok from X, yeah, Elon Musk. Uh, how about X? Is it any good? What's the saying like this? Okay, it's a conversion of Channel X. Yeah, it have a, yeah, this is really, okay, unique. So it have advanced listening and STEM performance, good at science and coding, long text and big brain mode. Yeah, can handle magic Windows means you can write a lot of words and it will get all text, not cut into pieces. I think. Okay, I'm a bit lost at how they work. Yeah, it's too smaller. Okay, that's blatant misinformation because it's connected to X. Okay, its tone might not be good for everyone. That's concern. Okay, so it's ideal candidate for real-time analysis, like trending what's trending or what's latest fashion, and yeah, it must have unique personalities so we can use it for creative marketing, conversation, complex math or coding. I can add it to Grok. So again, in here, Grok is real-time data, using possibilities of reasoning, versatile, ChatGPT, less effective for examples of cloud, small of Gemini, create yeah, a mix of LLM Ensemble in this case. Uh, again, this is something that I haven't tried yet, so I think I'm going to try it because I think I got a basic chatbot connecting the GPT and Gemini. Sorry, Gemini. That I haven't tested. I think I like. Yes, that's about it from here. So I'll test it out and maybe create a video on its evolution of the personal assistant. So, uh, thank you for watching.